In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Protonmail. Protonmail is designed for privacy with zero knowledge encryption that helps keep your messages secure. In simple terms, your email is encrypted on your device or in your browser, which means your stored messages are not readable by the service provider. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get started, adjust the layout, send encrypted messages, organize your inbox, create aliases, and keep everything accessible across your devices. To begin, open your web browser and go directly to the Proton account signup page. Choose the free plan if you want to get started without entering billing information. Then pick the email address ending you prefer, such as proton.me or protonmail.com, and create a strong master password. Make sure this password is unique and difficult to guess since it protects access to your mailbox. After that, complete the human verification step, add a display name, and let the account finish loading. Once your account is ready, sign into the main Protonmail workspace in your desktop browser. A good next step is to make the interface easier to scan. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings, then choose the two-column layout. This places your folders on the left and your reading pane on the right, which makes it easier to move through messages quickly. While you're there, you can also switch to a darker theme such as carbon or deep space if you want to reduce glare and make long email sessions more comfortable. When you're ready to send a message, click the purple New Message button in the upper left area. If you're emailing another Proton user, type their address into the to field and look for the closed padlock icon. That confirms the message is being protected with end-to-end encryption automatically. If you're sending to someone using another email provider, select the external encryption padlock from the bottom toolbar before you start typing. Then set a shared password and a password hint. Your recipient will get a secure link and can open the message in a protected web portal. If you need to include files, use the paperclip icon or drag them into the message window. Then click Send. To keep your inbox organized, open Settings, then All Settings, and go to Filters. Under Custom Filters, choose Add Filter and create a rule based on something specific, like messages from newsletter type senders. Then assign an action such as moving those messages to a folder or applying a colored label and save the filter. If you want better privacy for signups, open the app launcher in the top left corner or go to the identity and addresses area. From there, create an alias. This gives you a separate address for shopping sites, forums, or apps, while your real address stays hidden and messages still arrive in